Look, you, ma, ooh, look, ooh. Hey guys, today I'm going to be painting my nails. Ooh. So I'm going to be painting my nails today because it's National Nail Polish Day, along with the first day of Pride Month, and we also have National Say Something Nice Day and Bubbly Day. So act bubbly. A secret, I guess it's not a secret, some news I want to share with you is Ty and I are having a baby. Woo! So today, we're not revealing the gender quite yet. So today we're gonna paint one half of my hand, blue and pink for boy and girl. And then the next one, I'm just gonna paint pretty colors because I want to. And Simply Nailogical, I'll be using some of the techniques she shows on her thing because I am not big into painting nails. So this is the nail polish we have today. We have Insta-Dry Sally Hansen, and we also have Sinful Colors Professional. I know the lighting is probably terrible, but that's okay, because I don't care. I also bought a quick drying top coat, and I have a gel top coat, so we might use that as well. I got this holographic, like purpley color because I want to try the dab, dab, dab technique that she uses. I also got a hollow top coat. Hollow taco, sorry, and also the gray to go with the purpley, what have you. Okay, let's get started on the boy-girl nail. My nails, I'm not shaping them, I'm not caring for them much. Sorry, Christine, just deal with them. So let's do, oh, and I don't have a base coat to boot. And guess what? I just don't care. All right. I had to go to the store to get a nail polish remover because mine was so old it no longer removed nail polish. Okay, so we're gonna do one full blue one and one full pink one. I did not. And then what we are going to do is I'm gonna try my first ever gradient on the other nails to see how that works out for me. I do not have the peel off latex, so I will be just using the nail polish remover. But I'm not, I ain't never scared. Okay, so I think we're supposed to do a base coat color before we do the gradient. But fuck it, I don't want to. Okay, so I have my, I couldn't find my wedge sponges, so I also went and bought some of that. Okay, and so I'm just gonna try at least to do a simple gradient and see what happens. All right. And I'm not gonna do a base coat, so we'll see what happens when you don't do a base coat. Let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely need All right, well, let's base coat it up, shall we? You know what? Nah, we won't base coat it. So kids, don't be like me and definitely put on a white base coat or a lighter color base coat. Then you probably don't have to do as many layers. Okay, crisis averted. Almost worked. Okay, well, just let that dry for a minute. Put quick try top coat on there. We did an Easter video that I never posted, and the table is actually still messy from that, and yes, it is June 1st today. And in that kit, we got some holographic stars, so I'm going to use some of those. Put them on. Should have grabbed a toothpick. Oh, look at an egg dipper. Perfect. Ooh. All right, so we will let that dry and we will be back. All right, so I have cleaned them up a little bit and I have let them dry for a little bit. They don't look the best, but for my first try, I am okay with the outcome. So now I'm going to put on a nice coat of glossy Holo Taco. Because Holo Taco will cover up all the mistakes. I'll just be so mesmerized by the beautiful glitter. All right, and then we're going to top it off with a gel taco. So while I wait for my nails to dry, I just wanted to give you a little background of me. This is my second pregnancy. The first one, I had a miscarriage at about 8 weeks and 3 days. It was very hard. It was good because it just wasn't with the right person. And I knew that, and so hindsight, God is amazing, and He does exactly what's needed. Am I sad and broken and have a piece missing because of my baby not making it? Of course. And for those of you who have not had a miscarriage, even though it's extremely common, and if you have had one or are going through one and feel alone, please know you are definitely not alone. And if you have questions, you can reach out to me in the comments. But I really encourage you to speak up about it and get that help that you need. So going through my second pregnancy now, it's a lot different. I'm a lot farther. I'm 17 weeks and 4 days. We know the gender. I didn't know the gender before. It is awesome feeling the baby move, but it's also extremely, extremely scary. You will, well, I won't say you will because I don't know. Every case is different. Every pregnancy is different. For me, I get extremely emotional and nervous. We had an ultrasound on Wednesday, so a week and a half ago, and the baby was moving around so much, and that just made me emotionally excited because the baby was moving, and until you get to an ultrasound where there is no heartbeat, you will not understand how exciting it is to see that baby moving. And I'm nervous because now, because the baby is the size of a video game controller, so the movements are so tiny. And sometimes you're like, is that a gas bubble or is that the baby? And you know, it's nerve-wracking when I feel like maybe I'm used to the little movements now, or I always just think it's like my stomach moving or bubbles brewing. It's nerve-wracking when I think that I haven't felt it, and just popping back to what happens if this is another miscarriage. Yes, it's not meant to be. I just have felt a little rumble in my tummy, so that was kind of a nice little "I'm here, Mom" moment. But I don't think until they are here that my anxiety will go down. So we have an appointment on Tuesday, so luckily I will be able to see movement, and my friend Melissa is gonna let me borrow her heartbeat Doppler so that I can keep track and make sure there's still a little heartbeat in there to ease my anxiety a little bit. But I just wanted to take a little moment to talk about pregnancy after loss. I know some people don't consider, if you have a miscarriage, I know a lot of people don't consider that a baby. I know that a lot of women who have had miscarriages take it extremely hard and don't see the positive in it, and then there are women who do. I just encourage you guys that if you are going through a hard time, whether it's your millionth pregnancy and you still haven't conceived, or you still haven't had one that's stuck, or anything, just reach out for help. Talk to someone about it, because the more you talk about it, the less taboo it is, and the more resources there can be, and people won't have to feel so alone. Another thing that I want to talk about just really quick, because it's nail polish day. If you know someone who has gone through, is going through, is trying to conceive and can't, any of those odd situations, just give them a shout out, give them a hug, let them know they're loved. Especially the women, especially when Mother's Day comes around, when you are a mother of an angel or want to be a mom so bad, but you have not physically had a baby or a pregnancy to reflect that feeling. It's out of their control. They can't help it. So just make sure that you give them extra love and encouragement and support. Whatever your personal feelings are on it, doesn't matter, because you're not that person going through it, and a love can change their whole day or their whole world, or lower their stress and make it more possible to get pregnant. So just some food for thought while my nails were drying. So now let's get back to some nails. For those of you who don't know glitter nail polish, it's always very separated when you paint it on. It's never like it is in the bottle. So for instance, this is what it would look like. Not very coverage at all. But what I have learned from Christine, if you paint on, oops, I'm wasting my glitter. If you paint on hollow glitter on the sponge, what should happen is the sponge should absorb most of the liquid and leave the glitter. So I've put a top coat on the nails on my right hand so far. And now I'm just gonna dab, 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 and hope my nails look fab. All right, here we go. Dab, 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 make my nails look fab. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is it working? Oh, it's so much better. Oh my gosh, yes, queen. Oh, this makes my heart so excited. Oh yes, look at that coverage. Okay, and then look at it, literally just took off all the glitter and put it right there. Hell yeah, bitches. Okay, so now, maybe I should do I'll do another top coat. Just do a regular top coat to get that glitter set in place. Let that dry for a minute. And cleaning off with my left hand is going to be interesting. You know what? Once this dries, I want to put some more glitter on it. I don't think there's enough. What do you think? Do you think there's enough? I don't know what I'm doing. More glitter! Yay! Oh, hell yeah. This is looking great. I definitely need to buy that latex. We're gonna do a nice thick coat of hollow taco on the other ones. I need to shake it up. All the hollow's falling to the bottom. Oh, it's so pretty. With my gel taco and see if that helps everything stay in better and chip less, because I have oily nail beds, so it's like I have a peel off base coat all the time. What do you think? June is a busy month, let me tell you. So today's June 1st. Ty's on his bachelor party. He's doing a little ride, and then we're gonna go to a local bar and hang out. He'll be doing the drinking, I'll be doing the DDing. Then we have a doctor's appointment, but we're gonna have lots of those. And then my niece has a dance recital on the 8th. My friend Tennille's getting married on the 9th. My sister and my future father-in-law's birthday is on the 11th. My nephew graduates on the 12th. Ty and I get married on the 13th. We have a local strawberry festival on the 15th and Father's Day on the 16th. And then Ty and I's wedding reception is on the 22nd. There's a lot going on in June. And I now have 2 jobs, so I'm working a whole bunch. Ty and I decided that we are gonna go to Vegas and elope at the Flamingo. And you guys know how much I love the Flamingo, so I'm so excited. It's just gonna be me and Ty. My friend Sarah and her husband Alex is gonna come with us to be our witnesses. And then we will live stream it for our family and friends who wanna watch live. And then we'll celebrate with everyone on the 22nd. Okay, I'm gonna be done being a dork now. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today for International Nail Polish Day. I hope that you have a wonderful Pride Month if you celebrate it. And remember to say something nice to people today, because guess what? It's saying something nice day. But also we should do that every day, but let's do it today in particular. All right, guys. Love you. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.